Hey, thanks for landing on my video and welcome to my channel. I'm ZJ and this is episode 2 of my journey to get monetized. Week 2 of trying to get my channel monetized. It's been pretty great. I made 2 videos this week and they've got some views, which I'm great about. And I also made my first short, so that was another achievement. I'm not, however, happy about my mic. Gotta admit, it is a cheap mic, and yeah, I went real budget with it, and it's done okay so far, but I've noticed with my audio that it's crap, and this mic is crap, so I need to actually upgrade it. We all know why you had a look at this video is to see my analytics, so here they are. So I realized that every video is about me basically. So I want to start doing things for other people. So this is Griggs Media, which I hope I said that right. Sorry, Kevin, if you see this. Sorry if I pronounced your last name wrong. So anyway, I watched one of Griggs' videos and I felt he needed a pick-me-up, to be honest. It was his week 3 video about his journey to be monetized, and I feel that he needs a helping hand. So if you want to watch his videos or you want to subscribe and give Kevin a hand, that would be much appreciated. On to my channel. Okay, where are we? YouTube Studio. And we're at the dashboard. Yay. Okay, let's have a look at my analytics, because that's what we're here for. And let's change this to the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, I've had 561 views. And I've got 2.3 watch hours and 1 subscriber. And I am very happy with my 1 subscriber. It means that I'm on the board and it's 1 step in the right direction. So I'm very, very happy about my 1 subscriber. 4 videos. All right, let's see. Let's scroll down a little bit. If it'll let me. Go down. There we go. That's better. Okay. So first video up here was my monetizing video from last week, and can you see there's absolutely nothing. And then I did 2 shorts here, and you can see the big jump in views, and that's because one of these shorts actually pulled in the majority of my views. And the reason why I got the subscriber was because of one of my shorts. So then I have posted my how to find your niche on here, and of course my views have gone down again, which it's okay. We all know that YouTube is hard, and I definitely know that YouTube is hard. So I'm just going to roll with it, and we are just going to carry on. But in saying that, I'm also going to keep doing shorts, because obviously shorts work. I got 1 subscriber, so maybe I can get some more. Anyway, I'll put you guys back to outside me, who's yapping outside. Things I learnt this week, well, last week, is community posts. I didn't even know it was a thing, but it is, and it's great. Just some of the information that you can get from the posts, and like the fact that you can ask questions, you can put polls up, and you also can do quizzes as well, and post video or text or picture posts. It's great. I think it's awesome. So community posts was my first learning thing this week. Second learning thing was using Opus Pro, or Opus Clip I think it's called, where you can take your long form content, and condense it down into shorts. So it's AI, and it condenses it down and turns it into a short. Freaking fantastic. It does the captioning and everything. You just have to load the video, which takes a while, by the way, especially if you're filming in 4K to start with. But once it loads, it does its magic, and then it sends you an email and says, hey, these are ready, and gives you a whole heap of options to choose from for your shorts. And that's how I made my first short. And it worked out pretty well. So Opus Pro. By the way, links down in the description box if you want to try it out. Another thing that I learned this week was more editing skills. So if you check out my latest video about finding your niche, you'll see that there's a whole heap of animations and stuff in there and all this other stuff. Yeah, so that was me trying them out. It actually came out okay. Don't get me wrong, I probably need to practice a little bit more, but it looks good for me. It's good. So again, one more step in the right direction. So I'm happy. Right, down to the serious bit, things I need to work on. And for starters, the first thing is looking straight down the barrel of the camera and actually talking to the camera instead of looking at my screen that I can see myself in, because I'm really bad for that. And the one thing I've learned over the last couple of videos is that you need presence. Like, you can't get that presence if you're not looking down the camera, and you can't get that connection with your audience. So this video in particular, I am trying so hard to look down the barrel of the camera. Second thing that needs a bit of more work is, or a bit more tweaking, is my scripting. It went okay. I think I went to the extreme with the niche video to start with, because I went to the extreme. I fully scripted the video, and then quickly realized when I was filming it that I can't read word for word to a script. It just doesn't work for me. So I need to still find that combo of being able to do stuff on the fly, but also have some scripting, maybe just bullet points. So that's what I'm actually trying out with this video. So right here, yep, I have a whole heap of bullet points written on it, and I'm just going with the bullet points and seeing how that turns out. Goals for next week is working more on finding that balance with my scripting in between being off the cuff and also having some sort of continuity with my script. So that's step 1. 2 is to make some more shorts and also another video related to my channel content. So I want to do that. And I think next week I'm going to do about how to use community posts, and also another feature that I found on YouTube Studio, which I will share the link down below once I've made that video. So hopefully that's today, hopefully. And obviously goals are get more watch hours and more subscribers, but we'll see how we go. Right, thank you so much for joining me, and if you would like to comment on this video or subscribe, it would be absolutely fantastic. And thank you.